Hi friends, welcome to the channel. I'm so excited to share with you this transformation we made in this lovely house with these wooden framed windows that I'm obsessed with. We're tasked to just make this family room cozy and inviting. They just recently purchased this home, and they did not know how to really bring some love into this space, so it just felt a little bit stoic with just that couch. And so our task is not to break down anything or anything like that. It's not a long term thing, but in the long run, I will come back and just assist them to just make this home feel a little more like their home, which currently they do not feel that way. So we have that blank wall, which in the long run, I would advise that we put a mirror there, and we have a little nook there. I think a bit of seating, adding it there, or just some decor in that corner. Love the fireplace right next to that, to the door, and I think a mirror would also just bring a bit of character and maximize the space. So I'm excited about that. Right behind this wall there is so much lighting, and I think in the long run really they should just break up that wall to add more lighting and let it flow, let this room flow. So let's get into it, and I will show you the transformation that I did. Remember, we do 1 day and 2 day transformation, which really I bring some furniture pieces or just accessories to decorate. This is not any design that we do in the space, but just accessorize. And so I try to invoke all the senses: scent, sight, hearing, every aspect of senses, really, to just make one feel more relaxed, more serene, and make the room feel welcoming. And so that's exactly what I did here. I brought in wicker basket for texture and storage, just so that they could also store blankets for those cold nights whilst they're watching TV. And then I accessorized the TV stand with just a book and a lantern and that candle. And then on the coffee table, which really was bare the whole time, we brought some accessories, and that's what you see right there. And then I brought some cushions because the couch is hard and durable leather and a dark tone as well. We need to just break it up with some textured cushions and bright cushions as well. The family's happy with how it turned out, and I hope that it inspires you to also bring some transformation into your home with simple accessories. If you just give yourself time, you can bring beauty in the most simplistic and sophisticated way, which is what we did here. If you have any comments, I would love to hear what you think about this transformation in the comment section below. And don't forget to hit that little subscribe button as well. And I will love to hear from you. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.